Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding.
Good morning. Welcome back to our channel. This is day 2 of our camping trip. This is the KOA camping ground. There are many RVs and trucks around. They have their own plans for hiking, trailing, and going to different places. You can see the beautiful sunrise. It was beautiful and amazing. Everyone was getting ready. The group of kids were really excited for today's activities. We prepared for when we were done with the sandboarding. We knew everyone would get tired, so we packed some snacks and drinks. Our journey started here by driving to the sand dunes. From the campsite to the sand dunes, it took us nearly about 30 minutes and 27 miles. We stopped over here to take many pictures by the big board that says Great Sand Dunes National Park. You have to hurry up because there are many people around waiting to take their photos. We took photos as families, groups, and much more. To enter the Grand Sand Dunes National Park, you need to have a National Park Pass. But if you're a 4th grader in Colorado, you get to have a free pass for any national parks. Did you know over 5 sand dunes are over 700 feet tall? And these are the most tallest sand dunes in North America. You have to arrive early because there's not going to be much parking lots. Luckily, we found a parking spot, and this is where our journey started. The Great Sand Dunes of National Park is one of the most popular national parks and locations of Colorado. It's chilly, but all the kids love to play in the water. As you can see, there is a water flowing across the sand dunes. In July, the ice melts from the mountains and creates a river. Since we had lots of activities to do today, we took our sandboards. The sandboards usually cost around $20, and for the wax. If you don't return it, the fee will be $250. As soon as we crossed the river, we knew the fun began here. We hiked up the mountains to the dunes to go sandboarding. When sliding down, you have to wear your glasses and keep your mouth closed. There can be a lot of sand coming up to your faces, and it's hard to get them out. This is a great activity for all age groups, adults and kids. The weather was perfect. It was cloudy, and the sand wasn't too hot for the kids. If you're planning to camp overnight, be careful of mountain lions and sandstorms. They get pretty bad around the nighttime. Applying wax to the board is very important. It creates a nice smooth surface for the sand to glide through. Going down the dunes is hard, but once you get it, it's not that hard. Some tips is that you should wear slippers instead of shoes. The sand gets into your shoes, and slippers are great for the sand. For the little kids, they went with their parents because going by themselves is really hard and dangerous, but we let them go on the smaller slides. There are many different sizes to the sand dunes. We chose a small one since the kids can't go up that far. We chose a medium-sized dune. We had little kids, so it could be dangerous for them. This was a workout. Going up the sand dunes carrying a big board. This was tricky, but we all did it. We kept on slipping down the sand, but we got there. For the past 2 hours, we just played around and it was great. There is a lot of trial and error, but once you get the hang of it, you pretty much know what you have to do. Wearing slippers are your best choice. Wearing shoes can just make them worse. At the end of the afternoon, we all got tired. We took our last turns of going down the dunes. We were returning back to our campsite to take some rest and eat some food. We all took showers while the parents made hot Maggie for us. Stay tuned for part 2 of exploring Zapata Falls and hiking.